How'd you find it?
Oh, cool. Reminds me of, if you look at its face up close,
No.
it reminds me of what was the mama whatever in the Disney movie?
The mom?
The one in Louisiana.
Oh, and Princess and a Frog?
Yeah, what was the
Mama Goaty?
Mama
Whatever her
Goaty?
name is.
The one with the big eyes? But this one even has a beard.
No, Mama Goaty was blind. What do you mean big eyes?
No, she wasn't.
But she was blind, but she had the big glasses that like made her eyes big or whatever.
Oh yeah, that's true.
It's all covered in dirt and everything.
You're thinking of Star Wars.
Well, no, there was a character like that there too.
I want to eat seaweed, but that's the last pack. I'm gonna let you have it.
And unpin this one in my ear. Just like before, I can just hear a sizzling. I've decided to switch to this ear. Okay guys, it's like nearly done down now. Okay guys, so the one in my ear is gonna go.
It's going in my shirt.
Okay, so this
12 years it sleeps underground and then it wakes up and comes to the surface and comes out of its shell and becomes a cicada.
Oh my god, it's claws I'm sticking to.
And those claws cool, look like a dinosaur, right, or something?
Yeah, but them are sticking to my skin.
Yeah, that's what they can climb. Remember, they're always stuck to trees and stuff?
Well,
Isn't that cool?